Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Smart by Saturdays, the day we spotlight trending deals and bestsellers worth checking out. Today we've got the top 5 juicers under $100. Affordable, reliable, and perfect for anyone starting their juicing journey. First up, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. With an extra-large 3-inch feed chute, it can handle whole fruits and vegetables with less prep. It's powerful, easy to assemble, and the parts are dishwasher safe. Downsides? It can be noisy and doesn't include a juice cup, but it's one of the most budget-friendly choices. Next is the Elite Gourmet EJX 600. This slow juicer runs at about 70 RPM for quiet performance and smoother, less foamy juice. It handles leafy greens better than centrifugal juicers, and the parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. The trade-off? It's slower, and you'll need to cut produce into smaller pieces. But for nutrient-rich juice at this price, it's a strong pick. Third, the Black+Decker 400-watt juicer. It's simple, lightweight, and includes a juice cup with an easy-pour spout. The stainless steel cutter and strainer work well, though it's best for occasional use since it's not as durable as pricier models. Still, at this price, it's a strong value. Fourth is the NutriBullet juicer. It features dual-speed control, a wide chute, and dishwasher-safe parts. It's sleek, easy to use, and designed for beginners. The downside? It's not as heavy-duty as NutriBullet's higher-end models, but for under $100, it's a solid buy. And finally, the Oster easy-to-clean juicer. It has a convenient rinse-and-ready filter, so cleaning takes less than a minute. The wide chute reduces prep time, and it's compact enough for smaller kitchens. Downsides? It's not ideal for leafy greens, but it's great for apples, carrots, and citrus. So there you have it. 5 of the best juicers under $100. Whether you want fast prep, easy cleanup, or a nutrient-rich slow juicer, these are all smart buys that won't break the bank. Check the description for the product links and possible deals. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.